NT809. This apparatus features an adapted all-new chip with the latest Android 9.0 operating system and a 7-inch large touchscreen. It is equipped with full systems diagnostics with 28 reset services and covers up to 108 car brands. This tool meets almost all car diagnostic demands for car owners, DIYers, or professional repair workers. Foxwell has made great progress in the intelligent diagnostic marketplace. Here are some of the feature specifications. It is an Android OS-based, designed in a tablet-like form and runs on Android. It has improved processing speeds, which allows you to enjoy a fast, high-technology experience. 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM. Greatly increased performance and a convenient diagnostic process. This product is lightweight and small, weighing in at only 865 grams. You will have no trouble in carrying this tablet around. A 7-inch high configuration Android touch tablet with an adjustable bracket. A more sensitive and accurate touchscreen so as to enjoy the precise fingertip control. A well-designed user interface makes it easy to find functions you need and understand the diagnostic results. Coming equipped with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which is longer running and better standby time. The Foxwell NT809 automotive scanner comes with the most commonly used service reset functions: oil service, EPB reset, BMS reset service, DPF reset service, and so on. Helps you diagnose and calibrate faults in your vehicle accurately when the warning light is on. The all-new upgraded NT809 car scanner will do comprehensive diagnostic for all car systems, read and clear fault codes, point out the car issues in live data, and turn on the MIL after repair and maintenance, after repairs to the car body, airbag, seat, air conditioning, headlamp, powertrain, engine, transmission, chassis, ABS, SAS, EPB, EPS, and so forth. This vehicle scanner supports full OBD2 modules. At Foxwell, we listen to customers. That is why many can now rest assured. A common question is, will this auto scanner work on my vehicle? The Foxwell scanner NT809 is a comprehensive car code reader, which has updated car manufacturer lists up to 2021. It will perform on up to 108 vehicle brands and almost 10,000 plus car lists, boasting wider coverage for the majority of the vehicles on the market. Once the tool and the vehicle are properly connected, the system starts an auto-detect process. Once the whole process is successfully finished, a diagnostic report will be automatically generated and sent to your email box once bound. You can submit your issues with detailed files and attachments in real time. A Foxwell professional technician will reply to you after the details are checked. Simply touch the icon at the top to access the submitted page. Compared with the traditional complicated process of updating through a computer, it is faster and more convenient to perform a one-click update of your diagnostic software directly on the car scanner via Wi-Fi. You can also update the software anytime and anywhere by connecting to a mobile Wi-Fi within a stable network. No training is required, super easy to get started. You can check the car conditions with the detailed data and graph with an intuitive view. This allows you to view graphs simultaneously and merge 4 of them in one graph to compare. Supports English, Korean, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Thai, Hungarian, Swedish, Dutch, Japanese, Italian, Russian, and German. Allows global professional mechanics or DIYers working on most vehicles to get the diagnostic work done efficiently and effortlessly, without the additional effort and cost involved in getting translation services, etc. This machine is for DIY car enthusiasts looking for scan tools that can make your life easier with your car. Car mechanics looking for a great quality and functionality car problem scanner. Busy car repair shops looking for a quick diagnostic scanning results. This NT809 OBD2 diagnostic scanner gives enthusiasts, mechanics, and technicians a rapid system diagnosis that allows for a quick, easy maintenance of your vehicles. It has more than you could need as a mechanic in one scanning tool to rapidly diagnose and find solutions for your correlated issues. The functions range from basic to advanced with the compatibility of simple navigation. This diagnostic system ensures that this scanning tool is the best purchase to suit all vehicle needs.